The clever cat and vain fox. One day a cat and a fox happened to meet in a forest. The fox said to the cat, "Good morning. Where are you off to? Let's have a chat. It's all safe here." The cat stopped and greeted the fox and said, "Mr. Fox, I think it is not safe to stop here for long. I usually see hunters about here." The fox replied, "Oh, never mind the hunters. I know some of the tricks to dodge the hunters. Do you also know any such a trick?" The cat said, "I only know how to climb a tree in time of danger." The fox was vain and looked at the cat with contempt. He said, "Ah, poor soul, is that all? How can you escape death if your single trick fails? Shall I teach you some sure tricks?" Just then the cat saw a huntsman approaching with a pack of hounds. It said, "Look, there come the hounds. Goodbye." It climbed up the nearest tree and cleverly saved her life. The hounds came upon the vain fox very soon. The fox ran for his life, but the hounds overtook him before long and tore him to pieces. Moral lesson: pride hath a fall,